Good morning, everybody. Starting my day with a cup of coffee and a tablespoon of International Delight Zero Sugar Pumpkin Spice. My favorite. So that's how I'm starting my day. About an hour later, I'm going to make my breakfast, which consists of all of these yummy ingredients. I'm going to make a scramble. So we have some eggs, some turkey bacon, some potatoes. I'm going to make a hash. So let's get preparing. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine. I have a load of clothes going, but I wanted to show you what's for lunch today. Look at this. We have cottage cheese. Hold on. We have cottage cheese, carrots, cucumber, and 2 Wassa crackers. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I have a couple of meetings left for the day. Came home quick to grab my lunch to take the dogs out. Going back out to work. It's been that kind of day. And I'm having a quick lunch. So I will be home a little after 5 today, and then we'll make dinner together. I do want to stop at Aldi, so maybe I'll bring you in there. And I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. Bye. All right, guys, here's lunch. And I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to show you how I eat it. Obviously, it's so simple. All I do is take a spoonful of the cucumber cottage cheese mix, and I just add a little bit to it. And maybe throw on a little carrot. It's so fun eating veggies that I haven't had in so long. Carrots, crackers. I had the beans the other night and the chili. It's just a really good variety of food. And boy, guys, it's working. I weighed myself today. This is so sick. It's working. So, and a lot of you are asking how I'm able to know how much to eat. I am tracking everything. So let me take a bite and we'll talk. So I always do best tracking or eating a meal plan that sends the food, right? And since I'm not doing that, I have to track, because otherwise you don't know what you're eating. You don't know how much you're eating. You don't know what you're eating. So if you're tracking your food, you'll be on plan, right? You'll just be good. Right, Jess?
Yeah, you got to do that, because if you don't, you didn't, and if you didn't, you got it.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go eat. I'll see you at dinner time. Hey guys, all right, I'm on my way home, and I stopped at the farmer's market, got some really nice produce that I want to share with you, so we'll do that when we get home, but check it out in the meantime. Woo woo! All kinds of goodies. Can't wait to show you. All right, guys, so I am home, and I want to show you everything that I got from the farmer's market. So we're going to start off with a bunch of bananas. The plan is to cut these in half and freeze them so that when I make my protein shake, I can add half of a frozen banana in there if I choose to. I just think that having a whole banana for me is maybe a trigger. I don't know. We'll see, because remember, I haven't had fruit in many, many years. It's crazy to think about it, but so I'm going to freeze these. Their bag of fruit that I got is a bag of mandarin oranges. They're very small. They're a great way to just enjoy a little piece of fruit. And I also know that if I freeze these already peeled, I can add that into a vanilla protein shake and mix it in my NutriBullet, and it'll taste like a creamsicle. So I am excited to try that. Next thing I got was a pack of mushrooms. I got a yellow bell pepper. And did you know when you buy bell peppers, you see how there's 4 quadrants here? Those are the sweeter ones. If you buy the ones that have 3 on the bottom, they're typically not sweet. So just a little tip on how to pick a sweet pepper. Green bell peppers, and I also chose ones that had 4 knobs on the bottom. Green peppers are never really sweet, but my plan with them is to chop them up into little pieces and make a veggie mix and keep it in a container in my fridge with the mushrooms and all the things, so that when I make an omelet or I want to add it to a salad or even on the side of like some chicken or some steak or fish, whatever, I have everything on hand. That's the key. When I was doing Optavia, everything was accessible, convenient. So I'm trying to mimic that with the regular food. And so far it's working great. The next thing I got was just a plain and simple cucumber. As you saw today, I like to cut this up and add it to my cottage cheese. It was really good and it's refreshing. And cucumber is great no matter what plan you're on. It's a really good vegetable to have. I did get 2 of these avocados. One is ripe, one is not. I got a nice bag of, how cute are these? Little mini zucchinis. So again, I plan to cut them up into little tiny pieces and make a veggie mix to keep in the fridge. Next thing I got, pack of grape tomatoes, little pack of raspberries, 2 sweet potatoes or yams, a red onion, again, perfect for the veggie mix, a big bag of cilantro because I love it, 2 containers of strawberries to add to my Greek yogurt or just have a couple plain on the side as a snack. And that's it. So that's my little farmer's market grocery haul. If you have a farmer's market near you, I suggest checking it out. These prices, this entire load of vegetables was under $15, okay? If I go to ShopRite, one of these is $8. So this is the perfect way to get your vegetables, your fruit. Find a farmer's market. You won't be disappointed. Guess what time it is? Time for dinner. Simple and easy. Zucchini noodles sauteed in a little bit of cooking spray. And I'm going to have 6 of these Italian style meatballs. These are pre-packaged. I found these in the grocery store. As you can see, a serving is 6, 240 calories. There's your macros, some decent protein. They're very small. They're mini. They're already cooked, so I'm just going to throw them in the air fryer quickly. But that's how teeny tiny they are. Easy peasy, especially when you just get home from work. This is dinner. All right, guys, it's the end of the night. I'm finishing it off with a protein shake like I had yesterday. This is the Fairlife low-fat chocolate milk. This is half a cup. Then I added half a cup of water, some ice, protein powder, and a few little blueberries. Fat-free whipped cream on top. That's dessert. Delicious, healthy. I'll see you guys tomorrow.